In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter corporation tax in Xero. We'll record corporation tax using a manual journal, so your profit and loss shows the expense and your balance sheet shows the matching liability. This is a simple two-line journal, and I'll walk you through each field so it's clear and accurate. To begin, open your Xero dashboard and click the plus icon to start a new transaction. From the menu that appears, choose Manual Journal. This opens the journal entry screen where we'll add the details. At the top, enter a clear narration. Use something descriptive like corporation tax for the financial year, so anyone reviewing the accounts can immediately understand what this journal represents. Narration helps with audit trails and speeds up reviews later. Next, set the date. Choose the date that aligns with the period the tax relates to. Often they'll ask day of the financial year or the date you want the expense recognized. Consistency here is important for accurate reporting across periods. In the description field, add a short note that supports your narration, such as recognize corporation tax expense and liability. Keep it concise but meaningful. This text can appear in reports and helps future. You remember the purpose of the entry. Now, select the accounts for the two lines you are about to enter. For the expense side, pick your corporation tax expense account from your chart of accounts. For the other side, pick your corporation tax payable or income tax payable liability account. Account names can vary by organization, so choose the ones that match your setup, but the logic is the same. Expense to the profit and loss, liability to the balance sheet. Enter the debit and credit. Debit, the corporation tax expense for the total amount of tax you're recognizing, and credit the corporation tax payable for the same amount. The journal must balance to zero. If you use tracking categories, apply them only if that's part of your usual policy for taxes. Many teams leave tax journals untracked. Also, check the tax rate on each line. Journals for corporation tax typically use no tax, so it doesn't affect your VAT or sales tax reporting. Give everything a quick review. Narration, date, description, accounts, and amounts. When you're confident it's correct, click Post to finalize the journal. Xero will update your reports immediately, showing the expense in the period you chose and the liability until it's paid. That's it. You've entered corporation tax in Xero accurately and cleanly, ready for reporting and year-end review.